Welcome! We're at 18 South Michigan Avenue, right across the street from Millennium Park. Kendall College at National Louis University is having a virtual open house. You're invited, and here's why you should come. Come on in. We have 3 unique kitchens. This is our suite kitchen with 3 suites that are fully equipped with everything that a student needs. Our baking and pastry kitchen with repurposed handcraft butcher block stations. And our flex kitchen, fully equipped for courses ranging anywhere from sugar sculpting to sausage making. What's on the menu today? Teriyaki veggie rice balls, soy fish, a Kendall salad, dairy, fish, nut-free. Our fully equipped bar is icing on the cake to our world-class hospitality facility. So as you can see, Kendall College at National Louis University is a world-class hospitality facility with a world-class view. We'll see you for our virtual open house. Go to Kendall.edu.